Is the Pura Clean Shower Scrubber truly the revolutionary cleaning tool it claims to be, or is it just another flashy product with more hype than substance? Marketed as the ultimate bathroom cleaning solution, eco-friendly, rechargeable, and all for around $40 a UD, immediately catches attention, especially for anyone tired of scrubbing tiles and glass manually. But when we dig beneath the surface, a number of red flags start to appear that are hard to ignore. First, the domain puraclean.com.o was only registered in 2025, which makes the brand extremely new for the kind of credibility it seems to project. Their website lists a physical address, but it doesn't show up as a real or active business location on Google Maps, raising doubts about their transparency. On top of that, their social media presence only began in 2024, yet they talk like they've been trusted by Aussies for years. Even their numbers don't add up. How can 8,000 Aussies have joined if there are already over 10,000 loves? It's inconsistent marketing that feels more like a copy-paste job than real user engagement. The product description boasts features like being eco-friendly and lasting 90 minutes on a single charge, but there's a lack of detailed specs or certification to support any of these claims. Most concerning is the complete absence of verified user feedback. There are no independent reviews on Trustpilot, no third-party testimonials, and nothing from actual customers to confirm the quality of the scrubber. All of this doesn't necessarily mean the Pura Clean Scrubber is a scam, but it certainly doesn't inspire full confidence either. When a brand's backstory feels shaky and its promises aren't backed by proof, it's worth approaching with caution, especially before hitting that buy now button.